Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious hamburger soup. First, gather all your ingredients, like 1 pound of ground beef, your favorite vegetables, and broth. Begin by browning the ground beef in a large pot over medium heat. Once cooked through, carefully drain any excess fat from the pot. This step ensures a lighter, flavorful base for your soup. Next, add your chopped onions, carrots, and celery to the pot with the beef. Sauté these aromatic vegetables until they soften, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, stir in diced tomatoes, rich beef broth, and your preferred seasonings. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Now it is time to add the heartier ingredients to your simmering soup. Stir in your diced potatoes, sweet corn, and crisp green beans. Make sure all the vegetables are fully submerged in the flavorful broth so they cook evenly. Continue to simmer the soup until all the vegetables are tender, which typically takes about 20 minutes. This creates a wonderfully hearty meal. Finally, taste your hamburger soup and adjust the seasonings as needed to achieve your perfect flavor profile. You might want a little more salt, pepper, or a pinch of herbs. Ladle the warm soup into bowls and garnish with fresh parsley or a dollop of sour cream for an extra touch. It is ready to enjoy. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.